Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq, with daily insight on the Nasdaq-100 index, or the NDX, which is made up of 100 of the largest domestic and international non-financial innovative companies listed right here on the Nasdaq stock market. The NDX has been the barometer for U.S. large cap growth and also one of the best performing indexes over the last decade and a half. Let's pull up our first chart here. This is the Nasdaq-100 5-day, finishing up the week of November 18th, about 0.25% lower, but recall that we are just a few points away from all-time highs, so no surprise to see a little bit of a breather there last week. Now, stocks are starting the trading week higher on a holiday-shortened week of trading, with trade headlines between the U.S. and China once again the key catalyst. China said on Sunday that it will increase penalties for intellectual property violations, a topic that has been a key sticking point for trade negotiations with the U.S. markets. Also note a tweet from the Global Times that said Beijing and Washington are very close to an initial trade deal. And stock-specific news, shares of Netflix are under pressure following a note out of Wells Fargo taking the stock to underperform from market perform on concerns of the company's cash flow. As a reminder, the U.S. stock market will be closed on Thursday, November 28th in observance of Thanksgiving, and closing early on 1 p.m. Eastern that Friday. That said, we will have special Black Friday coverage on Trade Talks, followed by Cyber Monday retail trends on Monday, December 2nd. Also note, Apple will have a press event on December 2nd as well. From the Nasdaq market site in New York City, I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq.